Hello and welcome back, everyone. Today we dive deep into the future of supply chain security, the 2025 edition. The global logistics world is going through a seismic shift. Artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, sustainability, and resilience are no longer buzzwords. They are the new survival code. From AI-driven cargo tracking to cyber-physical risk management, and from geopolitical instability to ESG compliance, businesses must now rethink how they protect every link in their supply chain. This video explores the top 2025 trends in supply chain security, the challenges shaping global trade, and how ISO 28000 acts as the unifying standard for managing risk, ensuring compliance, and building confidence across international supply networks. Trend 1. AI and machine learning based risk intelligence. The biggest game changer of 2025 is the rise of AI and machine learning in supply chain risk intelligence. Predictive analytics now help companies foresee port delays, detect fraud, and even anticipate cargo theft. Artificial intelligence processes vast data from sensors, satellites, and logistics networks to alert managers before a disruption occurs. For instance, a logistics firm shipping electronics can use AI to forecast weather-related delays, border risk, or suspicious routing patterns. Trend 2. Cybersecurity meets physical security. In 2025, the line between cyber and physical security has disappeared. Today's attackers can hack warehouse management systems, transport software, or even smart shipping containers. A cyber breach can now cause a physical disruption, rebooting cargo, or freezing supply systems. ISO 28000's role. The standard emphasizes coordination between information and operational security. It complements ISO IEC 27001, ensuring both digital and physical assets are protected under one unified management system. Companies that integrate these frameworks prevent data breaches from turning into full-blown logistics crises. ISO 28000 makes cybersecurity part of the broader physical risk ecosystem, not an isolated IT function. Trend 3. Geopolitical risk and supply chain fragmentation. Geopolitical volatility continues to reshape global trade routes in 2025. Trade wars, sanctions, and regional conflicts have driven companies toward friendshoring or multi-regional sourcing to minimize exposure. For example, semiconductor manufacturers are diversifying their supply base to reduce dependence on single countries. How ISO 28000 helps? The standard ensures organizations map critical dependencies and conduct a structured risk assessment at every level of their supply chain. It guides them in anticipating disruptions and preparing mitigation strategies, ensuring operational continuity even when political or regional crises hit. Trend 4. Human-centric security and training 2.0. Despite rapid automation, people remain the first and last line of defense in any supply chain. In 2025, companies are investing in security awareness programs, simulation drills, and human intelligence training. Employees at every level are being trained to detect suspicious activities, handle cyber scams, and respond to real-world security incidents. ISO 28000 Connection. Clause 7.2 emphasizes competence and awareness across all personnel roles. It helps organizations design measurable training programs that promote vigilance, accountability, and a security-first culture. When technology fails, trained humans keep the chain strong. Trend 5. Global compliance and trade security alignment. 2025 brings greater harmonization between global security programs. Now, how ISO 28000 fits in? It acts as a universal foundation that aligns with all these international initiatives. An organization certified to ISO 28000 already meets the baseline requirements for most customs and trade partnership programs. This alignment makes certification not just a compliance step, but a competitive advantage, a symbol of reliability in international markets. Trend 6. Data-driven continuous improvement. The modern supply chain thrives on data. Companies now use analytics dashboards to monitor incidents, root causes, and control effectiveness. This allows for faster decision-making and smarter risk allocation. ISO 28000's contribution. The standard emphasizes measurement and improvement under its core step. It ensures data from security operations is used to review performance, identify gaps, and implement preventive actions. Over time, this leads to stronger, more adaptive, and cost-efficient security systems. In 2025, data is not just a record, it is a weapon against inefficiency and uncertainty. The future of safe supply chains. As we look ahead, one fact stands out clearly. Security is no longer optional. It is the core of business sustainability and trust. Companies that embed ISO 28000 into their systems will thrive in the complex, data-driven, and interconnected world of 2025. ISO 28000 brings a structure to chaos, aligning people, processes, and technology to build supply chains that are secure, transparent, and resilient. So if your business depends on moving goods across borders, 2025 is the year to make ISO 28000 your strategic foundation for safety, sustainability, and global credibility. If this video helped you understand the future of supply chain security, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.